Pulled the Rally out of the garage after the winter and the battery's stone dead. I should probably get a maintainer on it. But for now, let's put a new one in. The battery's on the left-hand side of the bike behind this plastic. There's two 5mm Allen head bolts, and you're going to need the key to open up the glove box so the plastic can come out. There's a rubber grommet in front of the glove box. Be careful when you pry that out. And there's another rubber grommet back here by the seat. Be careful when you're removing the rear plastic from this front portion. There's a little hook, so you need to pry this up and pull it out. You can see that little hook. You don't want that to break off. On this bike, I have a wire running up to charge my phone, and I have this negative coming off of that JD ECU tuner. Pay attention to which wires you have to make sure you get them all back on there. Start with the negative first so you can't arc to anything. More 5mm Allen head bolts you got to pull out. I got a little small screwdriver so I can position that nut on the back side. You're sliding this back together, don't forget about that hook, and there's two other little slots that have to line up. And be gentle when you're pressing in these fasteners, this back one here underneath the seat, and this lower one. Those can break off pretty easy if you're being rough with them. I think that's a 10-minute job for about any skill level. All you need is a 5mm Allen and a Phillips screwdriver. I'm probably going to end up selling that Rally. I picked up a 450L, so we're going to try that out for a while, see how that goes. I really wish they made a Rally version though of the 450. I love this headlight. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.